I just love Green Gate. This is one of the hottest communities in Short Pump, and the location can't be beat.
And if you've ever been inside any of these homes, my gosh, they are beautiful, modern, fresh, and clean. Communities like these with walkability, a community pool, clubhouse, and yard maintenance are really hard to come by.
So let us show you what you can get in the Green Gate community for $1.7 million.
This home was built by Eagle Construction in a joint partnership with the Yateman Group. And as soon as you walk in the door, you immediately can see the quality of construction. You are immediately greeted by this amazing custom floating staircase and picture frame molding. There's just so much to see in this 4,900 square foot home. We've got a lot to show you, and we're gonna start right here on the main floor. How stunning is this kitchen?
I just love this kitchen. You have two massive islands and the design is impeccable. One of the things I love is when you take the stone on the countertops, pull it into the backsplash, but they've taken it a step further and wrapped the hood vent in the same stone. It is absolutely fantastic. It's so modern and clean. And can we talk about the appliances? A 36-inch gas Wolf range, double Wolf wall ovens, and a Sub-Zero refrigerator and wine fridge. I'm in love.
And I just love how open this floor plan is, because you enter from the kitchen and then you're right here in this bright, white, modern living room. Now, you've got tons of natural light coming in. Basically, the whole west wall are these amazing folding patio doors that can open all the way up, giving you that nice indoor-outdoor flow. And that takes you onto your west-facing deck. Tons of afternoon sun back here, and the property backs up to this really wooded area. So you're not backing up to another house, you know, giving that really tranquil, wooded vibe.
And just look at this space. I love the modern look of this three-sided gas fireplace. You have these beautiful open shelves and a vaulted ceiling that just makes this space feel so open and spacious.
And we can't forget about this dining room. You've got this incredible ceiling detail that runs throughout the dining room and into the kitchen. Designer light fixtures throughout the home, and probably one of the most unique features I've seen in a long time is this wine display. I can just imagine how fun it would be to sit here with friends and pick out a bottle.
And I love the furniture in this home. I don't think we mentioned that yet, but actually almost all of the furniture in this house is included in the price, so you won't have to wait for those special order items.
And at around 4,900 square feet, you'd expect a home like this to have a mudroom, which it does, right off the kitchen, which is next to the entrance from your two-car garage.
This first floor primary suite is incredible. You've got a vaulted ceiling and chandelier, giving this space that really polished feel, and French doors that lead you onto your back balcony, the perfect spot for morning coffee. And this is by far my favorite room in the house. I mean, if I had this soaking tub, my family would never see me. The modern spa-like vibes just carry right through this ensuite. You've got a floor-to-ceiling custom marble wall in your wet room, as well as a shower niche that spans the length of the room with recessed lighting. And you actually have a great amount of storage space in this double vanity. And this walk-in closet is a great size. You have so much storage in here.
And look at this upstairs bonus space, clearly a perfect home office, or for my family, this would be the playroom. On this floor, you'll also find two spacious bedrooms with walk-in closets, two full baths, and your laundry room. Now this is my favorite part of the home. The builder completely finished the lower level and created three distinct, spacious living spaces while also offering this open floor plan, which is absolutely perfect for entertaining. Now I can just imagine watching movies down here with the kids or watching the game with friends while we play a little pool. And you have this huge wet bar with a Sub-Zero beverage fridge and a Sub-Zero wine fridge. And my favorite part is this really neat mirrored detail on the backsplash that just really elevates the space. On this level, you also have a powder room for guests and an extra finished storage space that will work perfectly as a walk-in attic or fitness room. And if you guys are looking for a great new build in Short Pump, but don't want to wait the long lead times for a custom build?
Just give me, Amanda Seibert, a call, text, or email to set up your private showing.
And if you like watching great property tours, we've got an incredible playlist for you right here.
And if you never want to miss another, just hit subscribe.